Well, engagement is important because it keeps kids interested. We know that at this age, their attention span is very, very short. So you have to actively get them engaged by thinking, by doing, by hearing, seeing, smelling, whatever it takes. That's what we want to do here at Rose Park.
Teachers here make learning fun. They do challenge us, but the way they teach makes it sort of easier for us to work together and solve the problems.
I think teachers take ownership through their relationships with the students, with the parents, even with administration. We're always planning and preparing and reflecting.
Conversations about data are happening all the time at Rose Park. We use data from our ThinkLink test, which is a 3 times a year test that we take, and we try to see where students are, and we use that data to help decide our intervention groups and our enrichment groups.
We don't want to leave anything to chance. We want to be able, and I tell the teachers, look, plan for the worst and hope for the best. That's the motto I sort of live by when I'm working in everything that I do. So it's trying to predict, it's trying to look into the future.
I think Rose Park is a school that is responsive to the needs of students, parents, and staff alike. The parent-teacher relationship, from my perspective, is a wonderful relationship. When I contact, and other parents, when we contact teachers, or even administration, it's the same way with principals. I get an immediate response back from them as well. And that is not characteristic in middle schools, or I would say most schools.
We started parent literacy classes here because when we look at our overall student comprehension, as far as testing results, our data results, we had to step back and say to ourselves, well, wait a minute, maybe one of the effects on the student scoring is the fact that their interpretation of informational text. So we determined that it's important for the students to have that solid ability to interpret informational text before they can answer the question. So as far as parent literacy classes, we started so that parents can help the students at home with interpretations as they're reading through informational text.
Rose Park Family is very simple. The word family means we are working all together for one common cause, and that is to bring that child to a successful point that they can go to college if they so choose, that they can be successful in a career that they so choose. And it takes all of us. That's what family means.